Bro, why my hair be looking like this? We went to Gangnam Market in Chicago. If you guys haven't been there, it's literally like the best store ever. We got a Fanta Zero Peach. Ooh, I'm excited to see how this tastes. Whoa! It's like an actual peach. It's not like a artificial peach flavor. It literally reminds me of like biting a peach with like the skin on it. That's what it tastes like.
Biting my peach.
That's really good. Wow. It's white peach flavor, so I don't know if it's different from like regular peach, but this is, I give this like a good 9.5 out of 10. It's pretty banging.